Step into 2026, where the boundary between reality and the digital frontier has finally dissolved. We've moved beyond the era of bulky headsets. Today, smart technology lives within the frames of our everyday eyewear. From instant language translation to high-octane spatial gaming and AI-driven productivity, these wearables are redefining human experience. Join us at Tronify Tech as we count down the top AI glasses of 2026, showcasing the most cutting-edge models that are transforming how we work, play, and connect with the world. XREAL One Pro. The XREAL One Pro is a powerhouse of spatial computing designed for those who demand a high-end desktop experience on the move. Utilizing a custom X1 spatial chip and Sony Micro OLED displays, these glasses project a massive, stable, virtual environment right before your eyes. With 3D OF tracking and adjustable electrochromic lenses, you can switch from a transparent AR overlay to a fully immersive theater mode instantly. It's a versatile tool for professionals and gamers alike, offering flawless connectivity across laptops, consoles, and smartphones. HTC Vive Eagle. HTC Vive Eagle prioritizes intelligent, hands-free assistance in a feather-light design weighing under 49 grams. These glasses serve as a personal AI concierge, integrating major models like Gemini and GPT to manage your life via voice commands. The standout feature is its real-time 13-language translation, making it an essential companion for global travelers. Equipped with premium Zeiss lenses and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, the Vive Eagle perfectly balances high-tech AI capabilities with the comfort and style of luxury fashion eyewear. Even Reality's G2. The Even Reality's G2 redefines subtle intelligence with its Conversate AI system. Unlike bulkier rivals, the G2 focuses on a discrete, floating micro-LED display that provides real-time summaries and prompts during live conversations. It's designed for the professional environment, offering navigation and notifications without the need for outward-facing cameras, ensuring total privacy. Built from premium titanium and magnesium, these glasses pair with a dedicated smart ring for gesture-free control, making the G2 the ultimate choice for minimalist, data-driven daily wear. Inmo Air 3 AR Plus. The Inmo Air 3 AR Plus stands as the most powerful all-in-one waveguide device of 2026, eliminating the need for bulky cables or external processors. Featuring a stunning Sony Micro OLED 1080p display and a Snapdragon coprocessor, it delivers a massive 150-inch virtual screen that hovers in your physical space. With an 8-core CPU and 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera, this headset handles everything from 3D OF spatial gaming to triple-screen multitasking. It's a standalone Android-based powerhouse that truly bridges the gap between smart eyewear and desktop computing. Halliday AI Glasses. Halliday AI glasses are the pioneers of proactive intelligence, designed to anticipate your needs before you even ask. These frames feature the world's smallest display module, a 3.6mm digi-window that projects a discrete, sunlight-readable screen invisible to others. Weighing only 35 grams, they offer an incredible 12-hour active battery life. Controlled via a specialized trackpad ring, the Halliday specs excel at real-time translation for 40 languages and automated meeting summaries, making them the ultimate tool for the modern, high-efficiency professional. Oakley Meta glasses. The Oakley Meta collaboration brings athletic intelligence to the world of high-performance eyewear. Built with durable O-matter frames and prism lens technology, these glasses are designed for the rigors of cycling and running. They feature a breakthrough 3K ultra-wide camera and integrated Garmin GPS support, allowing athletes to track stats like heart rate and pace directly via audio or subtle LED cues. With an 8-hour battery and Meta's most advanced multimodal AI, they provide a seamless, hands-free capture experience for active lifestyles. Viture Pro XR. The Viture Pro XR is the gold standard for portable entertainment, delivering a massive 135-inch virtual screen with an industry-leading 4,000 nits of peak brightness. This ensures a vibrant, high-contrast image, even in direct sunlight, while the 120 Hz refresh rate keeps gaming sessions buttery smooth. Featuring built-in myopia adjustment dials and electrochromic lenses that block 99% of external light, it provides a tailored, private theater experience. Designed with aircraft-grade aluminum and Harman Audio EFX speakers, these glasses offer premium durability and cinema-quality sound for any USB-C device. Ray-Ban Meta Display. The Ray-Ban Meta display introduces a monocular screen into the classic Wayfarer design, blending iconic style with futuristic utility. Launched with the groundbreaking Meta Neural Band, it uses EMG sensors to let you control notifications, messages, and navigation via subtle hand movements. The 600 by 600 pixel display offers up to 5,000 nits of brightness for clear visibility outdoors. With 12 megapixel photo capture and real-time AI visual responses, these glasses keep you connected to your digital life without ever having to pull out your phone. Viture Luma Ultra. Viture's Luma Ultra takes spatial computing to the next level with a dedicated triple camera system for high-precision 6DoF tracking and hand gesture support. It projects a 152-inch virtual 1200p workspace, offering more vertical screen real estate than standard 1080p models, perfect for coding and productivity. Featuring a unique translucent matte frame and RGB lighting effects, it blends personality with performance. Paired with the Pro neckband, it operates as a standalone Android computer, allowing you to edit videos or stream apps with zero drift in a fully stabilized AR environment. Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2. The Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 represents the pinnacle of invisible tech, housing an advanced 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and 5 microarray within the world's most iconic frames. This second-generation model features 32 gigabytes of onboard storage for high-quality video capture and Meta's most powerful multimodal AI. It can look at the world with you, identifying landmarks or reading signs via voice prompts. With open-ear speakers that provide rich, immersive audio and a charging case that extends use to 36 hours, it remains the ultimate blend of high fashion and daily AI utility. Rokid Max 2. The Rokid Max 2 is an ultra-portable display powerhouse, projecting a massive 215-inch virtual screen with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Designed for marathon entertainment and productivity, it features built-in diopter adjustments from 0.00 to -6.00, allowing nearsighted users to ditch their prescription lenses entirely. Weighing just 75 grams, the Max 2 uses high-fidelity directional speakers to create a private theater experience. When paired with the Rokid station, it unlocks a full spatial ecosystem, supporting multi-app windows and 3D immersive gaming with zero lag. Android XR Project Aura. Project Aura is a revolutionary collaboration between XREAL and Google, serving as the flagship hardware for the new Android XR platform. These glasses boast a massive 70-degree field of view, the largest in the XREAL lineup, powered by the upgraded X1S Spatial chip. Unlike standard mirrors, Aura runs a standalone operating system via a dedicated computing PUC, enabling native Google Gemini integration for visual search and spatial multitasking. With advanced hand tracking and micro-LED clarity, it's the first device to truly bring the Android ecosystem into a wearable, immersive 3D space. RayNeo X Pro. The RayNeo X3 Pro is a masterclass in standalone AR, blending high-end optics with the intelligence of Google Gemini. Its full-color micro-LED waveguide displays shine with a staggering 6,000 nits of peak brightness, ensuring digital overlays remain crisp even under direct sunlight. Powered by the Snapdragon AR1 platform, these glasses offer visual navigation, real-time sign translation, and a 12-megapixel camera for high-fidelity POV capture. With native AIOS 2.0 and 3D spatial tracking, it's a self-contained computer on your face that brings futuristic productivity to your daily routine. MO2 Ultra Smart Glasses. The MO2 Ultra is an affordable powerhouse for content creators and travelers, featuring a sharp 8-megapixel camera capable of 1200p video recording. What sets it apart is the massive 3600 mAh charging case, which not only keeps your glasses powered for weeks, but also doubles as a backup power bank for your phone. Integrated with ChatGPT and Microsoft-powered translation, these glasses can summarize meetings and translate over 100 languages in real time. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage and Wi-Fi 4 connectivity, the MO2 Ultra makes capturing and sharing your world effortless. Solos AirGo 3. The Solos AirGo 3 is the ultimate modular smart glass, utilizing a unique smart hinge design that allows you to swap frames to match your style or prescription. It specializes in audio-driven AI, featuring ChatGPT integration and patented whisper technology for crystal-clear voice commands in noisy environments. While it skips the camera to prioritize privacy and weight, it excels at live language translation and real-time fitness coaching. With an IP67 water resistance rating and a solid 10-hour battery life, the AirGo 3 is a rugged, stylish companion for active, tech-focused lifestyles. And there you have it, the most advanced AI glasses that are defining 2026. Whether you're looking for the massive virtual screens of the Viture and XREAL lines, or the discreet, high-fashion intelligence of the Ray-Ban and Solos models, there has never been a better time to upgrade your vision. The future of wearable tech isn't just about seeing more. It's about experiencing the world with more intelligence and less friction. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tronify Tech for more deep dives into the gadgets of tomorrow. We'll see you in the next one.